Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It is Monday and I'm headed out and about to try to cop these sneakers right here that you see on the screen. The Air Max Uptempo 95 Mystic Teals, man. They dropped yesterday, which was Sunday, which is an odd release day for a sneaker, but they should be sitting at the stores depending on the size. I'm not sure if my size is going to be available. It's been mixed emotions back and forth on the channel as far as people who like the sneakers, and it seems like the people my age, 90s and 80s babies, are messing with these things. Everybody else, they like, nah, y'all can keep them. But nonetheless, we're gonna head out and see what these things are about. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're gonna also see what else is sitting in the mall. Hey, let's go ahead and get this vlog going. There you go.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get...
All right, y'all, so up in the mall. So I'm pretty sure JD Sports don't have these things because I looked online. I didn't see a stock number on there. I seen nothing but the online option. So I'm going to go to like the hood stores like Snipes, Detail Art. I'm pretty sure they got them. So, hey, wish me luck. Let's see if we can get y'all a review of these things. All right, so we got Snipes in the building. We're gonna see what they talking about. I'm pretty sure they got them in here. So let's do it. All right, so y'all see up in Snipes. Here we go on the wall. Right here, man. All of it's OG vintage. Look, man, these things fire, man. All right, so as you guys can see right here, like I said, got the white black Nike swoosh right here. The leather upper is really nice. Got the air on the eyelets. Bamboo lacing system right there. Good suede nubuck along the sides of it. Nike swoosh right there. Got the air unit all the way around. Air Max cushioning. The iconic Uptempo on the back end. Pull tab right there. On the bottom we do have that Air Max technology, man. This shoe is fire. On the inner side of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, it's gonna be the exact same thing. Black insole, white sock liner. These things are fire. Let me try to put one on feet for you guys, just so y'all can see the sizing and stuff like that. All right, so as you guys can see right here, we do have them on feet, man. Sizing is true to size. This is 11.5, and this actually fits perfectly for me. They look super, super clean, man. Super nostalgic. I'm pretty sure if you walk to your Snipes DTLR, you're gonna be able to pick up these things without a problem. But as you guys can see right here, man, super clean, bruh. Super clean, man. This sneaker has been retro quite a bit, but and they flew up under the radar, dropping them on a Sunday and not having them here. But true to size when it comes to sizing, comfortability, they feel good, bro. They don't feel bad at all, man. Definitely a dope sneaker, bro. All right, so now we're up in DTLR, and they also do have sizes here. So go check your stores. They are available. They are out and about. So make sure you're going into the stores if you're interested in this sneaker. All right, you guys. So we do have an OG Nike box, as you guys can see right here. It's going to be the orange box. All right, there you go. If you need to legit check your pair, whatever size tag, all that stuff right there. Okay, we're gonna open up this box. I know I just showed them to you guys, but this is an official unboxing. So there go the sneakers right here, bro. Super clean, super clean. This one is a size 12, just because I just wanted to try something different for you guys. But like I said, DTLR, Snipes, places like that do have this sneaker available. Super duper clean, nostalgic sneaker right here. If you know, you know. For all you young jits watching this video, I know y'all might not like these, and y'all like, man, it's just a bulky sneaker. But it's just some sneakers that carry a sentimental value and just remind you of back in the day, and this is that sneaker. Mitch Richmond, David Robinson, Kevin Garnett, Kobe Bryant, Sasha Vujacic, Scottie Pippen. So many people wore this actual colorway when it comes to this sneaker, but they also wore it in many different colorways. This has been retro several times, again, like I said, but it is back in 2025, and you guys do have that option. So y'all make sure y'all tap into DTLR, Snipes, those places like that, and I promise you, you'll be able to cap this sneaker. All right, y'all, so as you guys can see, the sneakers are available. We've seen a lot of stuff in there. DTLR is new here in my area, so they do first come, first serve. They don't do like the whole raffle system and all that good stuff, but go out into your stores and check them out, man. If this is a sneaker that you are after, you can actually grab it for retail before you guys actually think about paying resale for these things. That's all I got for you guys. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, now what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Uptempos, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.